Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do these super cute Bantu knots over my starter locks. So let's get straight into this video. So here is my hair, y'all, in all its glory. So I'm going to just start by just spraying my hair down with some oil just to make sure that, it's not too dry or anything. And then I'm going to start sectioning my hair off. So obviously my parts are not going to be super crisp or straight because my hair is already kind of pre-parted. So I'm just sectioning off my hair and then I'm going to twist each section. And so I had about 10 Bantu knots total. So I did 5 along the front of my head, I did 2 in the back, and then I sectioned my hair into 3 like in the middle. And at first I was a little worried that the style wasn't going to come out right since my parts weren't super uniformed or anything, but honestly it didn't really make a difference. I still think that it came out really neat for me to just kind of pull sections randomly. So I'm going to be using this Bobby Boss Jamaican braid hair, and I'm using it in the color TB Burgundy. And I specifically used textured hair because I just wanted to look more natural, especially since I knew I wouldn't be able to get my parts super clean and smooth. And you only need about 1 pack of hair. And so what I did was I cut the hair in half. So each pack comes with like 2 bundles. And I cut each bundle in half, and then I separated it into like 10 sections, and then I applied a rubber band to it. And now what I'm going to do is take that rubber band piece and just tie the rubber band over my natural hair, which has already been sectioned off. That was a bit wordy, so I hope it makes sense. But yeah, I separated the marley hair into 10 sections, and I used about 5 pieces per section of the marley hair. And then I take that and I tie it onto my natural hair. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And this method makes it a lot easier. It keeps everything like clean, as far as like you don't have a bunch of messy hair everywhere, and it was just really easy, honestly. After I add a mini bundle to each section, it should look something like this. And now I'm going to start working on the Bantu part. So I'm going to start by just fluffing out this hair a little bit. This hair is burgundy and my natural hair is like a brown auburn color, so I'm fluffing it out just to make sure I can disguise my natural hair. In some sections my natural color did peek out a little bit, but it still blended fine. So now I'm just taking that marley hair and wrapping it around my natural hair, and then I'm just going to wrap it into a bantu knot, and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. And make sure you don't twist too tight because it will give you a headache, and make sure you don't apply the rubber bands too tight also. I forgot to mention that, but don't apply the rubber bands too tight and don't twist too tight, because if you do, it's just going to be a lot of tension and a lot of pulling. And that was it. So now I'm going to do the same to the rest of the sections. And I just wanted to make a quick note because, again, I do have starter locks, so my hair is still kind of in a fragile state. So I'm making sure that when I fluff out the hair, I'm not manipulating my starter locks. I'm only manipulating the marley hair, and then I'm wrapping the marley hair around my starter locks to protect my hair. So it kind of looks like I'm doing a lot of manipulation to my hair, but honestly, my real hair is protected underneath all of this other stuff. And now I'm just going to add the finishing touches. So I'm going to do my edges first. And I watched another YouTuber increase my piece. She did a tutorial for these Bantu knots and she made it like goddess Bantu knots. So I'm taking some what is this, crochet hair. I think this is just like some deep wave hair, and I'm just going to wrap a couple of pieces around a few of my Bantu knots just to add a little detailing. I thought it was super cute and pretty, so yeah, I'm just doing that. And then I took some setting foam and just kind of smoothed out some of those pieces so they won't be too frizzy. And honestly, that's pretty much it. I'm going to just take a scarf and tie down my hair for a little bit, do my makeup, and let everything set. And yeah, that's it. And here's the final look with my face done. And when I tell you guys, I love the way that this look came out. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should be doing, Snatched by Sharmel, yeah, I posted a couple of pictures. I thought this was really cute. It was really fun. And overall, I just loved how everything turned out. Obviously, it wasn't completely perfect. Like, there's a couple of sections in the back where you can obviously see like the imperfections. But as far as like photography wise and for pictures, I think that this is a very cute style for like a photo shoot when you want to just do something fun. And yeah, I can just say that I really like the way that this look came out. So thank you all for watching. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I'll see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.